This 2022 Leisure Travel Unity U24FX is a Class C RV. It is located in Medford, Oregon, 97504 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV Medford. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used leisure travel. This 2022 Leisure Travel Unity U24FX is built on a 2021 Leisure Travel Unity U24FX versatile luxury chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.